All right, Kaylee, sounds good. 6:48 right now. Today starts the holiday break for students in Manatee County, but Christmas came early for one teacher who's now the recipient of $500 and a Chalkboard Champion.
If you get stuck on a word, call me over.
It's just days before holiday break.
I like how you paused at the comma. Good job.
Students at Canaan Elementary are trying to meet a reading goal before school lets out.
That's a compound word, so cover up the second half of the word.
Meeting the goal means no homework over the holidays.
He'll usually say that if you're stuck on a word, call me over.
This is their teacher, Bobby Scuteri.
All right, just for fun, what text structure was that?
He's very good at teaching. He also
While students continue to read, their teacher's up to something else.
He does a lot of above and beyond stuff for everybody in the class.
Scuteri's known on campus as the Balloon Man, and for good reason.
Yeah, I think it's pretty cool because I think it encourages some of us to do more better.
He uses the balloons as a reward system for good behavior and good grades.
It's a good way to keep them on their toes. We try to have fun in here. I'm probably the most mischievous out of all of us in here.
Spend a few minutes in this classroom and you'll see Scuteri is passionate.
Working with the kids is a lot of fun.
Your teacher's letting you know that you're doing good when you get a reward, like a balloon.
And if balloon animals aren't enough fun, check this out.
There are dollars with Mrs. Scuteri's face on them, and when you earn them, most people are very happy.
These are known as Scuteri dollars, and they're valuable pieces of paper in this class.
They can buy one thing out of one balloon for $10, or they can save up $25 and get something out of multiple balloons.
The balloons and new currency creating lasting impressions.
He'll ask if I'm doing good, if I need help on a word.
I love Mrs. Scuteri.
That's why he's being recognized as a Chalkboard Champion.
Oh, those surprises are so much fun. Congratulations again to him. Now, we are looking for our next Chalkboard Champion out of Sarasota County, so if you know of a teacher you'd like to nominate, head on over to our website, mysuncoast.com, and click on the Chalkboard Champions tab.